Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to fix this account might include sensitive content. Fix it. Now solve this problem. Let's start. First of all, go to your any browser. Click on this. Now click on Chrome browser. Now click on your X account. Click on your profile icon. Now scroll down. Click on Settings and Privacy. Then click on Privacy and Safety. Then click on Content you see. Now you can see display media that may contain sensitive content. Turn on this. Now back to your home screen and go to your X account. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.